Hey, welcome. This is my Orlando Hunter, a Jeep Wrangler. It's about time it had its paint job, so here goes. So this is my process what I use to give this a bit of love. So to start off with, cut all the nubs and flash off the body, give it a great wash in warm soapy water. Proceed to lay down some rattle can primer from a bargain store, a layer or two of white over that as a base to the silver to really bring that out. Hit the inside with the blue and then proceeded to start on the outside, laying a fair bit of metallic blue down. This was a long drawn out process over a few days, you know, give it an hour or two between each coat and so forth. So once the metallic blue had been done, I masked up the hard top and the wheel arches and then proceeded to hit that with a black spray can. Unwrapping it, looks really good. To take it even further, I got my Tamiya panel line accent, hit the door jambs and all the other body lines. So once I was happy with how that sort of came across, I hit it with a clear coat finally. Once I'd done that, I moved on to the lights and did the old Sharpie trick. As you see, everything's on the truck now, and the lights especially stand out and look great. Once I'd done that, I proceeded to put all the cosmetic body parts in, aerial wing mirrors, hood latches, tow hooks, even the spare tyre rack, and a couple of other bits needed hand finishing, like this, some paint on here for the filler cap. The glass was a bit of a pain to get in, needed some gentle persuasion, but it did go in, but that was due to how much paint I'd put down. But I hope you agree, it was well worth the effort. This came out really nice, I feel. So I've got quite a few other aftermarket mods to go in it, and now's the quiet season, so I expect I'll get round to that. But hope you like. Thanks for watching. Any questions, always happy to answer them. Take care, see you later.
Here, fella. Hey.